Interestingly, this comes at a time when at a public rally in Sarswa in western UP, Narendra Modi had called Mulayam Singh Yadav a respected leader and talked of his credentials as a champion of democracy. In the middle of last year's highly charged Lok Sabha campaign, Narendra Modi had thumped his much popular symbolic 56-inch ka Sina and had taken potshots at the SP chief, saying he did not have it in him to make UP a developed state like Gujarat. While Mulayam's SP does not enjoy much support in Bihar, his walking out of the Samajwadi umbrella group, experts claim, has given an edge to the NDA, which will most likely eat into the Yadav-Muslim combine that would have otherwise voted for Nitish Kumar and Lalu Yadav.
गठबंधन के मुखिया ही आज गठबंधन के साथ नहीं हैं और दूसरी ओर मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चारों पार्टियां एकजुट होकर एकमुश्त होकर बिहार के चुनाव में लगी है। वो विजय किस ओर जा रहा है उसको दर्शाती है।
The NCP has already walked out of the alliance in Bihar. Its leader Tariq Anwar said they have been exploring the option of a new front with SP and other parties. This election in Bihar is expected to be a direct contest between the BJP-led NDA and the Nitish Kumar-led Grand Alliance of the JDU, RJD and the Congress. But many other parties are raring to enter the poll fray to make it a multi-cornered contest.
और 13 अगस्त को उन्हें पहला झटका लगा जब एनसीपी ने कहा कि हम इस ग्रैंड अलायंस के साथ नहीं हैं और ग्रैंड अलायंस के बाहर चली आई। छोटी सी घटना थी, बहुत लोगों ने ध्यान नहीं दिया और उसमें सीधा सीधा आरोप ये था एनसीपी का कि इसमें मुसलमानों का ख्याल नहीं रखा जा रहा है। ये बड़े भाई छोटे भाई का खेल है, ये सत्ता का खेल है और उसमें मुसलमानों के हित को इन लोगों ने पूरी तौर से नज़रअंदाज किया है। और 13 अगस्त को एक राष्ट्रीय गठबंधन के उनके एक साथी ने उन्हें छोड़ दिया, एनसीपी ने उनका साथ छोड़ दिया। समाचार छोटा था लेकिन फिर भी आज उसका संदर्भ बड़ा है। ठीक 3 महीने के बाद आज 3 सितंबर 2015 को समाजवादी पार्टी ने उनका साथ छोड़ दिया।
Mulayam Singh Yadav meanwhile has a well-wisher in the Shahi Imam Maulana Syed Ahmed Bukhari. He has cautioned the SP Supremo that there is a growing anxiety within the Muslim community over his decision to abandon the anti-BJP alliance in Bihar. Both Lalu and Sharad Yadav have reminded MSY earlier that UP polls were not very far. In the initial seat division formula, the RJD and JDU have been given 100 seats each, the Congress 40 and the NCP has been given 3. The SP had none, and when an unhappy NCP walked out of the alliance, these 3 seats were given to SP. Then the RJD gave 2 more seats out of its quota to the SP, taking 5 the number of seats given. However, the SP had initially demanded 47 but was ready to settle for 12. The Bihar unit of the SP was not happy with this number. With Asaduddin Owaisi having announced that his party will contest Bihar from Simanchal, the new front SP is also not averse to joining hands with them. There is a strong likelihood that the National People's Party of former Lok Sabha Speaker P.S. Sangma is also being considered as a possible future partner. Powered by NNIS.